So yesterday, if we see that type, if I type, let me refresh, and if I type the city and press enter without choosing the Google, it was giving error. Let's try to fix that part. And I need the space between this text box and this button. So we will fix these two things now. So first, let me go to that. Before the button, I will just create one BR tag so that space should be there between this text box and this button. Okay, so we have the space between the button and the text box. Now I will go to the console.log and I'll try to put the address. Now I will not select from the drop down, I'll just press enter. So once I press enter, you will see the error is coming. The reason is once I press enter without choosing the Google select box, I don't get this formatted address. I don't get latitude, longitude. So because we don't get all the objects, so it is giving error. So here what I will do, here I will check if here I will check if I get proper parameters, then only go ahead, otherwise not go ahead. So one of the parameter is the formatted address. So I will say if not formatted address, that means if place.formatted address is not available, then I will give some alert. Please choose the address and I will return null. So if user don't put the proper address on the Google, I will alert it and I will return it. Alert is not the right idea. Maybe in future I will give some, on the screen I will display some message, but right now I will give the alert and go ahead so that it should not at least give the error. So now if I press enter, you will see here alert is coming. Please choose the address, otherwise it will not go. So I click OK and I can choose the address, then it will go forward and no error is coming. So just fix two things. One, put this alert part and then put the BR tag before the button so that there should be the space between the button and the search box. So do that, then we'll go ahead.
Can I see the if?
Yeah. Okay, both done. Okay, now we are just making the pages now without really going into the functionality of the site now. Once the UI is ready, then we will move towards the functionality of the website. So when I search something, when I put the keyword and I search something, when I click the search, the URL will change and URL will take this parameters which user is searching, and based on that parameter, the results will appear here. So let's make some layout for the results. So I will make just any layout for the results. Later on, we will improve the layout once we make the real call to the database. So right now, I will make something which I like it, and later on we will change it based on our requirements. So I can go to the list group. Let's see if I like the list group or I should go to some other things. So list group is there. Let's see the media object. So the media object seems to be much more appropriate than the list one. Here I can show the image little bit, and I can show the heading. I can show this text kind of thing. So I like the media objects here, and let's try to use this one. So it's the left and the body, and I will take one of the media one. So let's take which one I should take. Yeah, maybe this one is fine. I'll try to put this media part in our page. So on the right side below the results, I will put this media one, and I'll see how it looks. And I need the image also. Right now I'll take any image from the Google to display it, and then we will replace it with the proper one. So let's search for something Indian food donation. Yeah, too big. Let's take this one. Okay, so I will, instead of the image, I will put the source as the one which I got it. And let's close the image tag. This is the H reference. Let's make this empty. And let me see if everything is okay. Media heading. Here I will put some paragraph. So maybe I'll say blah, 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 blah. And I'll see how it looks. Most of the time, I may need the style sheet which is applied to my most of the components. So I will create one style sheet also. Since I will be creating only one style sheet, I'll directly create a new file called as style.css. If I want to create more style sheet, then I will create a CSS folder and I will put it there. But right now I'm creating on the inside the source folder a style.css. I will just put some style sheet. So I will say my image. I will create one style sheet called as my image, and I will make the max width of 100 pixels. So I'll just create one style sheet. I will give it to you in the chat. You can create that one also. But after 2 minutes, let me show you what I'm trying to do. And that this image tag should get that style sheet which I created here, my image. And in my index.js, I will import this style sheet. And then it will be applied to all the pages. So I will say import dot slash style.css. So it will be applied to all the pages. And I applied the image CSS which I built here inside this home media object, because I don't want width to go more than 100 pixel. So I put the max width of 100 pixel. And then this is the media query. Let's see how it looks now. So it's showing this image tag and heading and blah, blah, blah. Let's put some more text kind of thing. Let's put this text. Instead of blah, 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 I'll put this text to see how it looks. Okay, I was getting some error, I think. Let's see. Okay, there's a problem in the media object which I added. I need to replace all the class with the class name. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, I don't get error. I get this results and I get this media one. Let's try to copy one more time. This div tag is closing here. This div tag is closing here. And so let's put one more time. So I can see a couple of times. Okay, so I'm able to see the results. So in reality, we will be showing the results here like this, or maybe we will improve this result part. Right now, I'm just showing a dummy kind of skeleton. So since this is repeating multiple times, I will try to put this in the component, its own component. So let me create one more component. I will create a new component called as results.js. And in that, I will create a new component. I will give you time to build it. So just don't worry, results. And here I will say results. And in that results, I will put the media object, which I got from the previous page. And in the home.js, I will import the results. I will say import results from /results.js. And instead of the media object, I will only put the results component. I will again put the results component. So I will put multiple times so that I can show this multiple times. So now I'm showing this multiple times, but I'm calling results component, so I avoid the duplication of the code. So you have to do this part. Just create first the results component, and I will give you the code in the chat, or you can write yourself by looking here. And in the create another style.css, which I gave you the code. I can give you again. And in the index, import the style.css. And in the home, import the results.js, and also place the results in the body tag. So this is all you have to do it. So this is the first page results component. Try to do this part first. I will give you this image specifically in the chat, and I will also give you the bootstrap link where you can get the media object, or you can copy paste from here, or you can look here the screen and type it. Whatever you like, you do it.
Can you show your pages? I can compare them. I'm not sure I'm copying and pasting the right places. That one's fine.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay, so index.js only has a import of style,
Index.js.
and we import the style.css.
Import style.
Right.
How come I got? Oh, I see what I did. Okay, and then import results from results.react. Where does that go?
And import results is in here in the home.js.
Right, yeah.
There are two hands. So once you get two hands, we go to know the law to answer it.
I have one problem.
Okay, what is that one?
My npm cannot start.
Because you have to, their folder will be deleted, so you have to run npm install. Run npm install and then do npm start.
Oh, okay.
I'm not getting any results.
npm install again.
He's the only one that.
Okay, let's see. Who wants me to come to their machine? Tony or KK?
Me.
Oh.
So let me go to first Kate and then I'll go to Tony. You have to run an npm install. Just run npm install. Type npm install and then it will work.
npm, no slash, right?
Space, that's fine, right? Enter it. Yeah, enter it. Okay, what it's saying, no such file directory. Okay, by mistake you deleted package.json. Do ls, no, dir. Okay, so your package.json is missing. So what you do,
I go your folder, get one, copy paste.
Yeah, let's see which one has it. So if you go to my food donation, you will see package.json file is there, and git ignore is also there. Just take these both files and put it in your food donation. One is git ignore, one is package.json.
Okay.
Maybe go to your folder, view hidden files, because .git ignore may not be visible to you. So just put these two files, and then, because if you don't put git ignore, then you will be able to submit node modules again. I don't want you to commit node modules. Maybe your git ignore is deleted somehow.
Git ignore.
Yeah, you have to do git ignore. You know, take the git ignore and package.json. Just take that both. Let me help you. Copy it from some other folder.
This one? This is
Not here. First go to projects.
Yeah.
Yeah, go inside projects. Food donation. Now take the git ignore file.
Keep okay,
Yeah,
copy paste.
this one. Yeah, this one and package.json.
And
Command control and click both the files. You will be able to select both. Now copy it.
Copy.
Yeah.
And go to my folder.
Right.
For the donation.
Right.
Copy.
Paste it. Okay. Delete the node modules folder now first. Delete the node modules
This
folder.
one?
Yeah.
Delete? Okay.
Yeah. Why it's not deleting? Permanently delete. Okay. Now go to the command line. Just do npm install. So it will install, and then you can run the npm start, and then you can commit it.
Okay. So this time I won't commit the model file.
No, it will not go. Since .gitignore file was deleted, so you were able to commit it. If .gitignore file is there, you won't be able to commit node modules.
Oh, that's why. Okay. I see. Thank you.
What is the problem with Tony?
I had to have skipped a step. Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, results is starting with small letter. Components never start with a small letter. So if you are making components, always make it capital. Okay, let's see import statement, your import statement. Yeah, that's fine. Let's save it and see the page.
Okay, so that's all it was.
Right.
One of those little bugs that'll bug you if you don't know what to look for.
Open the console.log. Let's see if there is any error or what. No error. This is warning sign. It's fine.
Okay, great.
So now let me take the presenter role. So now we have to, like we have put this in components, we have to try to create as many components as we want. And so if we should avoid the duplication of the code. So right now I have this code and I will be putting the same code in other pages, but later on I will try to keep it in one place. So but I haven't thought now how I will do it. So we will do it later on. Right now I'll keep it like this only. Okay, let's go now further. So we have this page called as home page, which is already working fine now. Okay, it's not started maybe. Let me start. I'll start again. Okay, so this is something, we have the home page ready. Though lot of things will come here on this page, but right now I don't want to touch those things. Now let's say if I want to donate something, so I need the form where I will be able to submit it. So I will create the create one, the one which we created here in the source create.js. So if I go into the URL /create, right now I am getting just create one, but I will be building now the form to create the new post. And whatever we are doing for this project, most of the things will be repeated in another project. So if you have something ready for this project, maybe for another project, most of the things will be copy paste. So just pay attention in this project, rest all projects will be 90% same. I will put class name in the create. I will put class name equal to container, and inside the create, I will delete the create part. I will say div class name equal to row. I will close the div tag. Now this will be having only one column. So I will say class name equal to col md12. I will close the div tag. Let me take 1 second. So I will put the col md12 because it's only one column, and here I will put h1 tag. Okay, I will put h1 tag, and I will close the h1 tag. Here I will say create new post. If I want to create a new post, I will go to the create part, and in the create I'm getting the create new post. Now here I will fill the form. I will build the form. So let's go and build some form. So I will go to my home.js. I will take the form. Since I need the location also, so I will take this autocomplete part in the create, and then I will grab the form which I have here, and then I will edit that form. I will take the form first from here to create below h1. I will put the form. See how it looks. So now I have the form with a keyword and the location. Let's put the label here with the location. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so I have the location. I don't need keyword here. Keyword is only for searching. Here I will say title. I will say enter title. So first one will be changed to title. Second one is the location. Third one I will say after autocomplete, I will say one second. Okay. After autocomplete, I will build some text area. And I will close and say text area. And in the text area, I will say rows equal to maybe 5, and the class name equal to, I'll put same class name which other text box have, and above it, maybe I'll copy this div tag and then I'll change the area to text area. I'll grab this text area and I'll put this text area here, and title will be description. So you will see title is there, location is there, description. There is a space problem here which we will fix it. Form group, and here we have form group. So right now I will fix it later by creating a custom class and give some margin. Maybe I can do it now. You can avoid this maybe right now, or you can also do it. Maybe I can say spacing, my spacing, and I will say margin top equal to 5 pixel, and I will give this margin to, I will give this class to here. So it should have some margin. Okay, so now space is there, but 5 pixel is too less. Let me give the 15 pixel. Okay, now 15 pixel is fine. So if I need some spacing at the top, I will give this class. Otherwise, I will not give if I don't need it. So I have the title, I have the location, I have the description, and then I will put some more fields. So what fields I want? Maybe I can say tags. Maybe I'll say tags. So user will put the tags that which will be helpful for me in searching. So I will be getting the tags. So if user puts, I'll tell you what exactly tags is. So for example, if user put Chinese breakfast, so this comma separated tags will be put by the user, and based on this tags we will do the searching. So so how will I know which post I should show to the user? So based on this tags we will keep the searching part for our website. So when user go to this website, they will search something Chinese, and those people who have put the tag as a Chinese will see the results. So these tags and keywords will be related. So now I will put the tags and I will say here comma separated tags for searching. So okay, this is the tags. I can get the location, I can get the title, description, then I will get the image URL. I will not take the upload image kind of thing because I don't have so much space kind of thing. So I will say put the image URL, and here I say enter image URL. So person can go take the picture, put it in somewhere Facebook and give the URL here, or person can go to the Google, whatever they are trying to donate, and they can get this URL and they will put this URL here in this image URL. So this is the image URL. Right now we will take only one image URL. Later on in the phase 2 we may add more images also. So I don't need any more thing. I need title, description, enter tags, image URL, and that's it. Pretty much that's it I need. And yeah, so this is my form create page. So you should also build this form page. So how will you build it? If I put copy paste it, it will not go in chat properly. So I will commit it and then you can get it from my one, or you can type it. So I will just give both the options. Okay, let me commit it first. So I committed it. If you are tired of typing so much content, then you can get it from my file. I committed it. You can go to my components and go to the create and get the whole form. Or if you want to type, you can type whatever way you prefer, you can do that. Let's see if this is working. Then okay, this is working correctly. 1, 2, 3, 0, and Thomas Aquino Road. This is working. Okay. So right now I need only these fields. Maybe tomorrow we will add more fields if we like.
Manny, I'm getting an error on when I go to pull. I was getting this earlier too. I'm not sure why.
You have to first commit it.
I did that. I've committed. It won't let me commit either.
Yeah. Let's see your computer, because generally error comes in full. That means you have not committed all the files. Let's see.
It says another Git process seems to be running in the repository.
Maybe your 2 tabs started or what?
No.
Okay.
I even rebooted earlier too, and
Okay. Give me the presenter role. Let me see. Take the presenter role. Okay. Let's see. So Git did not cleanly exit. Okay. Close it. Close this. Let's see. Go to the folder. Let me see what you are getting.
this is my folder.
Okay. Right click it. Okay, first do commit. First do commit. Okay. Commit all the files. Let's see. Okay, why you're getting Kate one? Wait. Okay. Can you give me the mouse control? Okay, let me see why you're getting. Okay. Is any of your some Git process is starting. Okay, let's see.
There's nothing.
I want to double check it.
I'll close my editor because
Yeah, let's close the editor.
the editor has Git built into it.
Yeah, save it and then close it. This is the editor is still starting, still there. Just close it. This one. It's done. Right. Let's try now. First commit it.
I don't understand why I got those.
Yeah, Kate one. Why Kate one is coming in here? Let's see. Okay, because let's see. Still we are getting. Okay. Let's see anywhere. Oh, maybe. Okay.
Last night after class when you posted that, I pulled everything and had no problem, and haven't done any work on it today. So it's really weird.
Right. Let's see. Where is this location? Let's go to the proper.
My documents.
Okay, I will open it. So let's go to the command line and see what's happening. Go to the command line for this folder. Okay, let's go here from here. Okay, wait. Yeah, let's go from here.
From where?
Right click this My React project. Right click My React projects and open with 1 second. Let's see. Is there open with there? No. Okay, maybe go to the command line and go to this folder. Let's see in the command line. Okay, wait, no. No, don't go CD learn. Have you given me the mouse control? Okay, but why I'm not able to type? Git status. Okay, new file is this one, and git checkout is this one. Okay.
What is git checkout?
Git checkout is to revert the file. So revert the file. Mhm. Okay, there are no tracking your current branch. This is which branch you want to merge with. Git pull remove git branch. Okay. Again, yeah, it's showing same thing here.
Could something be run? Could a process kick off and continue running on Git,
Right.
even if you're, or does
Can
it
you
always run
restart?
on your?
Can you restart and then we can check it? Just restart now and then we will see it. Is that okay? Tony? Hello?
Hello, Manny. I can hear you.
Okay. Maybe it's restarting.
I haven't pull or commit yet because I don't want to pull together with Tony. I
Right.
think if we both pull together, it's gonna cause problem.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm back. I don't know what happened.
You restarted it?
No, it said the internet connection lost, and then it.
Okay. Can you restart your
Computer.
computer?
Restart the computer? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to hang up.
Yeah.
So, all right, that's one question astutely. The first year of operation is why would you do that? And then D, the illusory promise thing is illogical and inconsistent as well. So that leaves me with C, and C to me is good common sense. Know the fact the seller proved it was.
What is an output contract? An output contract is I will take all that you make. And what you make is what?
I probably got it wrong. It's got to be C or D. I'm going to
Go to Karen.
Hello, Manny.
Yeah.
I got a resource busy because I am pulling your file successfully, and I copy your create.js
Right.
and paste in my component.
Okay.
Yeah, here.
Open
Model.
the .js.
Open app.js. Create.js.
Okay, let me see the, okay, go there. What error you're getting? Let's see.
Busy or log?
Model build failed, resource busy or log open. This one error occurred during build time. I'm gonna do the stop the npm start and then start again.
Okay.
What it's saying.
I think it's
Yeah,
okay. Starting.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Go there in the chat. In the command line.
Uh.
Go to command line.
Command line. Okay.
You have to wait till it starts. Nothing.
Yeah, just wait a little bit.
Yeah,
Maybe
wait.
Close this one.
Yeah, it will start automatically another one.
Okay. Tony is back.
Yeah. So now it's so.
Yeah,
Let's see.
it's starting.
Yeah.
You want me to try to do anything, or you want me to wait for you?
Yeah, just I'll come.
Oh, no rush. I just.
Wait.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's work.
Works.
Okay, now let's go to the command line again, to that folder. Yeah, let me take the mouse. Give me the mouse control. Okay, let's see now. Still you're getting same error. Okay, now I got it. Go to your folder in the browser. Okay, let's go this here. Okay. let's go to the okay. Now you are up to date to same what I have.
Okay.
So now you can run npm start and all. So you can do that later. Now you are actually equal. Now you can take the create part from my folder and use it, or you can type it yourself and try to maybe add one more field yourself to see if you can add some more field that you will delete it. Just put any dummy text to or title to or image URL to, and then delete it later on just to see if you are able to manipulate the changes. So we are done with the home page. We are done with the create page. Edit page will also be looks like this similar one. And tomorrow we will do the login part. So we will create a login where user will be able to log in through Google login. So if he is logged in the Google, he will be logged into our website also, because we need login part. Otherwise he won't be able to create this page. This page is authenticated page and it should be only allowed to the logged in user. So tomorrow we will work on the login part, and we will also work on the Redux part in few days, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, because the whole React is tied to the Redux part. So I will show you some basics of the Redux, and then we will work on the Redux also. So tomorrow we will do only the login part. Okay.
Yes.